Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Colorado battery. Before you begin, gather your tools like a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the process. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your battery, which is usually under the hood of your Chevy Colorado. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. This is crucial for safety. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive battery cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray, preparing it for removal. With the old battery disconnected, it's time for removal and installation. Batteries can be quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift it carefully to avoid strain. Once removed, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, gently lower your new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely and correctly. Finally, let's connect the new battery and complete the process. Begin by connecting the positive battery cable to the positive terminal first. Then, attach the negative battery cable to the negative terminal. Use your wrench to tighten both connections firmly, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Once everything is secure, start your Chevy Colorado's engine to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.